Okay, advantages of optical fibers. First advantages is completed information carrying capacity of optical fiber is very high. Second is also return. What is second one? Second is return. Second advantage, due to low weight and small size, it has a suitable in low weight and small size. It is suitable in which applications?
Space and aeronautical applications.
Space and aeronautical applications. Third one is it has a low cost because raw material used for optical fiber is a glass, and with that glass is easily available in abundant quantity, because for the preparation of glass what is required? Silica is required, and that silica is easily available in abundant quantity. That's why cost of optical fiber is a very low. Then next is optical fibers are insulators, so that they are free from sparking, short circuit, leakage, etc. This third advantage is also written. Then fourth one, advantage number four. Advantage number fourth advantage is we'll read it. It is not affected by anyone. Not
It is
affected.
not affected by electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference.
Okay, it is not affected by, write it. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. Everyone please write it. It is not affected by electromagnetic interference and radio frequency interference. Next, through optical fibers, crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. Through optical fibers, crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. Crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. Next, last one. Here write it only. Crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. And last one. Who is speaking? Crosstalk possibility is greatly reduced. And last one is, write it, less effect due to corrosion. Last one, write it, less effect due to corrosion effect. Less effect due to corrosion effect. Less effect due to corrosion effect. Okay, these are the advantages of optical fibers. Then we'll go for multiple choice questions, MCQs. All right, everyone write first MCQs. First multiple choice question. Write it. The principle of optical fiber is, anyone? What is answer?
Total internal reflection.
Okay, principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. Write it, total internal reflection. Principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. Principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. MCQ number 1. Principle of optical fiber is total internal reflection. Then second one.
Hello sir, screen दिसत नाहीये.
स्क्रीन दिसत नाही का? एक मिनिट. आता दिसते का बघा?
हो सर, आता दिसते.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write it. In optical fibers, second MCQ, in optical fiber, the refractive index of core is dash dash than the refractive index of cladding? Anyone?
Always greater than.
Okay,
Yes.
answer is A or B correct? Which option is correct?
A.
A. In optical fiber, the refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of cladding. Optical fiber, the refractive index of core is greater than the refractive index of cladding. We'll read a third one. Anyone?
Optical fiber is made up of glass.
Optical fiber is made up from which material? Copper, aluminum, glass, iron,
Glass.
etc. Which option is correct? Glass is
C.
glass. Optical fiber is made up of glass. Third one. Then fourth, we'll read it. Anyone?
The diameter of cladding is nearly 125 micrometer.
Everyone write it. The diameter of cladding is nearly 125 micrometer. The diameter of cladding is nearly 125 micrometer. Next one. We'll read it. Anyone? Next MCQ, fifth one. Anyone? Can I take roll number 2, Vaishnavi? Roll number 2, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Read this MCQ number 5.
In total internal reflection phenomenon, the light ray incident.
Total internal reflection phenomenon, light ray incident from which medium to which medium?
Denser to rarer.
Medium to rarer medium. Write it, denser to rarer. Okay. Then next, 6th number, we'll read it.
The
Optical fiber, N1 is given, N2 is given. What is N1? 1.45.
1.45.
N2 is given,
N2
N2 is
1.40.
40. The critical angle of the fiber is, what is phi c is equal to which formula? Phi c is equal to sine inverse of
N2 by N1.
sine inverse of N2 by N1. That phi c is calculated. Its value is 74.54. Okay. Here phi c is equal to sine inverse of N2 by N1, and that phi c is calculated. Its value is 74.54. 74 degree 54 minutes. Okay. Here N1 is given. N1 is equal to 1.45. N2 is given 1.40. Then critical angle phi c is equal to sine inverse of N2 by N1. The next, the 7th one, we'll read it. Next, 7th. Roll number 3. Read it. Vaishnavi. Vanida Randve. Randve.
If core has non-uniform refractive index, the fiber is called as dash fiber.
Core has non-uniform refractive index, means in refractive index of core is non-uniform. This type of fiber is called as step index or graded index.
Graded index mm.
Which option is correct here?
C. Option C.
Graded index multimode fiber. Okay. Then next,
In total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is dash critical angle.
okay, in total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is phi is, what is the relation between phi and phi c? In total internal reflection, what is the relation between phi and phi c?
Equal to or greater than.
Phi is anyone? Phi is
greater than phi c.
phi is greater than the phi c. Okay, angle of incidence phi is greater than the critical angle phi c. Then and then only total internal reflection of light takes place. And we know that what is value of phi c? Phi c is equal to sine inverse of
N2 upon N1.
okay, N2 by N1. Then 9 number MCQ. The numerical aperture is given by the equation.
हळू घे लिहायचंय आम्हाला.
लिहायचंय का? दिलेत की मी हे पीपीटी शेअर केलेत सगळ्या. शेअर केलेत आपली ते सीट आहे ना, एक्सेल सीट काय तिथं शेअर केलेत. लिहून काढताय नंतर काय सावकाश घेऊ द्या. बरं सावकाश घेऊ. कुठून पासून रिपीट करू सांगा. 6 पासून रिपीट करू का 7 पासून.
7 पासून.
Okay, if a core has non-uniform refractive index, core has non-uniform refractive index, the fiber is called as, fiber is called as, core has non-uniform refractive index, the fiber is called as, what is the answer?
Graded index.
Graded index. झाल्यानंतर सांगा, then I will take next one. Written, this core has non-uniform refractive index, the fiber is called as graded index fiber. Written. Okay. Next, in total, next one, 8th one. In total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is, in total internal reflection,
Greater than critical angle.
in total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. In total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. Okay. Or झाल्यानंतर yes no सांगा. In total internal reflection, the angle of incidence is greater than critical angle. Next, roll number 4, Anuja. Roll number 4. Read this MCQ number 9.
The numerical aperture is given by the equation.
Anyone, what is equation? Na is equal to?
Root n1 square minus n2 square. Option A.
Option A, under root n1 square minus n2 square. Write it. The numerical aperture is given by the equation. Write it, under root n1 square minus n2 square. Under root n1 square minus n2 square. The numerical aperture Na is given by under root n1 square minus n2 square. Again, what is Na is equal to sine of? Another equation, numerical aperture Na is equal to sine of
Acceptance.
sine of the acceptance angle, or sine of theta 0, or Na is equal to, one more equation is there, n1 and delta, in terms of n1 and delta. Who will tell?
Numerical aperture is equal to n1 in under root 2 delta.
Okay, n1 into under root 2 delta, or under root n1 square minus n2 square, or is equal to sine of theta 0. Okay, 3 equations are there, that numerical aperture. Or then 10th number. At 10, the acceptance angle theta 0. Anyone?
Sine inverse of option
Is having equal to sine inverse root n1 square minus n2.
Okay, sine inverse of under root n1 square minus n2 square. Means which option is correct here?
Option C.
Option C.
Option C. Write it. Theta 0 is equal to, the acceptance angle theta 0 is equal to sine inverse of under root n1 square minus n2 square. Sine inverse of under root n1 square minus n2 square. Okay. Theta 0 is equal to sine inverse of under root n1 square minus n2 square. Right, next 11 number. The middle coaxial region. The middle coaxial region of the optical fiber. Middle coaxial region of the optical fiber is called, anyone?
Cladding.
Cladding. Write it. The middle coaxial region of the optical fiber is called cladding. What is innermost region is called?
Core.
Core. The innermost region is called?
Sheath.
Okay, then here middle coaxial region of the optical fiber is called cladding. Okay, it is called cladding. The next 12 number. The fractional refractive index change delta is given by
n1 minus n2 upon n1.
Divided by n1.
n1 minus n2 upon n1. Okay, fractional refractive index change delta is given by, write it, delta is equal to n1 minus n2 upon n1. n1 minus n2 upon n1. Okay, then here Snell's law, that figure is no sin of I upon sin of r is equal to n1 by n0 na. Get sin of I upon sin of r is equal to
Yes, sir. N1 upon N0.
n1 upon n0. Sin of I upon sin of r is equal to n1 by n0. Snell's law is given by sin of I upon sin of r is equal to n1 by n0, because the ray of light, it passes from n0 to n1. n0 means which medium? Launching medium.
Launching medium.
And n1 is which medium? Core medium. This ray of light, it passes from launching medium to the core medium. Miss Snell's law is sin of pi upon sin of r is equal to n1 by n0. Written up to 13 over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 14. Light confined within the core. Light confined within the core of a simple optical fiber. Light confined within the core of a simple optical fiber by which principle?
Total internal reflection.
Total
At the core cladding boundary.
core cladding boundary. Total internal reflection. Answer is total internal reflection at the core cladding boundary. Okay, once again, light confined within the core of a simple optical fiber by, answer is total internal reflection at the core cladding boundary. Okay, written. Then write 14, 15 number. Who will read it? Anyone? 15.
Choose the correct statement.
Read first one.
Cladding has higher refractive index than core.
Okay, it is correct or
No.
No.
then
Core has higher refractive index than cladding.
okay, B is
Correct.
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 Core has higher refractive index than cladding. Option B is core has higher refractive index than cladding.
N1 greater than N2.
N1 is greater than N2. Always N1 is always greater than N2, and phi is also always greater than phi C. Okay, then third 16 number, write it. Step index fiber can be
Either monomode or multimode.
okay, monomode as well as multimode. Monomode as well as multimode. दोन्ही पण आहेत, मोनोमोड पण आहेत आणि मल्टीमोड पण आहेत. Okay, both are there. Step index fiber can be a monomode as well as multimode. Okay, monomode as well as multimode. Written. Step index fiber can be monomode as well as multimode fiber. Who will read 17.1? MCQ number 17.
In graded index optical fiber, the refractive index of core is uniform, increase towards the axis of core, less than cladding refractive index, none of these. Option increase towards the axis of core.
Okay, this in graded index fiber, refractive index of core is not uniform. Refractive index of core is not uniform. Its value is maximum at the center. Radial distance increases, its refractive index goes on decreasing. Okay, distance from the axis increases, refractive index goes on decreasing or increases towards the axis of the core. Means in graded index fiber, graded index optical fiber, refractive index of core is increases towards the axis of core. What is the answer? Increase.
Option B.
Okay.
Towards the axis of.
Increases towards the axis of the core. Then next.
Innermost region of the optical fiber is called core.
The innermost region of the optical fiber is called core. Right?
Core.
The innermost region of optical fiber is called core. ओके रिटर्न झालं का? The innermost region of the optical fiber is called core. Next, definition of acceptance angle. Definition of acceptance angle. What is definition of acceptance angle? The maximum angle that a light ray can have relative to the axis of the fiber and propagate down the fiber is known as acceptance angle. Right? It is MCQ number 19. It is the definition of acceptance angle. The maximum angle that a light ray can have relative to the axis of the fiber and propagate down the fiber is known as acceptance angle. Is option C is correct here. For 19, option C is correct. Okay, written. The maximum angle that a light ray can have relative to the axis of the fiber and propagate down the fiber. Is option number C is correct. Then what is acceptance cone? 20 number.
2 into acceptance angle.
Okay, 2 into acceptance angle is called as acceptance cone. Okay, 2 into acceptance angle is called as acceptance cone. Now up to 20 completed. 2 into acceptance angle is called as acceptance cone. झालं सांगा. Will anyone? झालं का? Rule number
Yes,
1.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this up to 20 completed. Then write it 21. Fractional refractive index change is delta is always what is delta? N1.
Positive.
Okay, N1 minus N2 upon N1, and we know that N1 is greater than N2. Delta is equal to N1 minus N2 upon N1, and we know that N1 is
Always positive.
that is always positive. That it always positive. Answer is
Option number D.
D, always positive. Then 22, we'll read it.
The numerical aperture is defined as.
NA is defined as, what is definition?
Sign of the acceptance angle.
Okay, sign of the acceptance angle is called as NA. Okay, sign of theta 0, sign of the acceptance angle is called as numerical aperture. This option C is correct. NA is defined as sign of the acceptance angle. Okay, written. 23rd, we'll read it.
Numerical aperture of optical fiber depends on only refractive indices of the core and cladding.
Okay, numerical aperture of optical fiber depends on only refractive index of the core and cladding, only refractive index of core. Third, physical dimensions of the fiber, and last, only refractive index of cladding. This option A is correct. Only refractive indices of the core and cladding. Only refractive indices of the core and cladding. And last, MCQ number 24.
Light gathering capacity of fiber depends upon
Light gathering capacity of fiber depends on
Size of core and its numerical.
okay, light gathering capacity depends upon core size and
NA.
Numerical aperture.
okay, size of
Numerical
the core
aperture.
and its value NA. It depends upon these two factors. Okay, these are the 24 MCQs. Tomorrow our UT number 3 is there. Third UT on which one? UT third. कशावर आहे? UT third. कशावर आहे उद्याची UT? हॅलो.
Laser.
उद्याची UT थर्ड कशावर आहे? फायबर ऑप्टिक्स वर आहे.
Optical fiber.
ऑप्टिकल फायबर वर. उद्याची UT थर्ड जे आहे 20 MCQ, 20 marks UT will be there. And unit number is optical fiber. Unit number 6 आहे. 6 ओके, दिस इज ऑप्टिकल फायबर. ठीक आहे, उद्याची युटी ऑप्टिकल फायबरवर आहे. अजून
ऑप्टिकल फायबरच आहे ना?
हा कशाला?
फक्त ऑप्टिकल फायबरच आहे ना?
उद्याची युटीला फक्त ऑप्टिकल फायबरच आहे. आणि नंतर ISC ची होणार आहे, ISC थर्ड, त्याला ऑप्टिकल फायबर आणि अजून एखादा चॅप्टर असेल, असे 2 युनिट असतील. ठीक आहे, उद्याची फक्त आहे ती ऑप्टिकल फायबरवर आहे. ठीक आहे. देन रेट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. एक्सप्लेन. हा
आत्ताचं लेक्चर पण तुमचंच आहे ना?
नाही नाही, माझं नाहीये, शेवटचं यांचं आहे, मॅथमॅटिक्स आहे. ओके, राईट इट. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट इट एक्सप्लेन. First write it, principle of optical fiber. Explain. Write first, principle of optical fiber. Second, explain first principle of optical fiber, and second write it, structure of optical fiber. Okay, explain these 2 points. पहिला point कुठला आहे? Principle of optical fiber, and second one is the structure of optical fiber. Then next question is last question, write it. Derive an expression for, question number 2, derive an expression for acceptance angle, derive an expression for acceptance angle, fractional refractive index change, and NA means numerical aperture. Okay, derive an expression for acceptance angle, fractional refractive index change, and numerical aperture. Okay, only 2 questions are given. What is first one? Explain.
Principle.
One more question, third question, write it. Explain in brief advantages of optical fiber. Explain in brief advantages of optical fiber. Explain in brief advantages of optical fiber. Okay, we'll stop it here. Here, this unit is completed. Tomorrow we'll start the diffraction, that is wave optics. Okay, we'll conclude here only.